The box couldn't be any further away from where we're putting this thing. Look at that. That's how the pros do it right there, man. I told them to just zip tie that shit straight to the beam and call it good, man. He didn't want to do it like that. Yeah. You're through, man. You're here. Heck yeah. Found another 25 foot. That's fucking wire. Jeez. Slippery. What the heck? Oh shit. Look what just showed up on a very large truck. Alright, this thing is huge. Woo. Alright, ready?
You want to put the dollies under it now?
Well, let's get it closer to the ground before I have a heart attack.
Well, why don't you just go backwards and I'll go forwards and get it up to your door?
Well, let's get it down low. We can do that, yeah.
Go down. Oh.
I've unloaded a lot of trucks. I've never done this before. Oh yeah. Peekaboo. Table's got a little bit of moisture on it. Shouldn't be too bad. I'll fix your stuff. It needs to be tipped on the ground. Alright, just waiting on the electrician to get here. This is the biggest crate I've ever seen in my life. It's going to take me about a couple hours to tear this thing down. Nails all over the shop, everything. I mean, craziness. As soon as I take off this fancy metal edging, I still got to pull it apart because it's also stapled together. I ain't bitching though, because a good crate means a quality product. Check this out. Yeah. My electrician coming over in about 2 hours. We're gonna get it hooked up the rest of the way. Ooh, yeah, we do it. Yeah. Getting it. Getting close. Couple extra switches for the bitches.
And I can
Here we do it.
I can tag these up with the Sharpie if you want when we're done.
Yeah, we need a hefty switch for that vacuum over there. Damn right. Shit that ass. I got that shit done. Shit's handled. Now all I gotta do is figure out how to use it.